Hunan FULLDE is more than just a leading expert in diesel generator system integration. We are an all-star with powerful core manufacturing capabilities. We have a professional design team to customize highly efficient power system solutions for you. Furthermore, we own our container fabrication and manufacturing facility, ensuring high product quality right from the source. Most importantly, every single unit must pass full power validation through our strict in-house testing platform, guaranteeing the delivery of absolutely stable and superior performance power protection. Choose Hunan FULLDE for worry-free, one-stop service. Please feel free to call us for a consultation anytime.